Hello, and welcome to another This Month in Datadog. As always, we'll update you on our latest features, product announcements, events, and more. This month, we have exciting updates on Kubernetes instrumentation, OpenTelemetry, application risk management, and we put the spotlight on the new APM Security View. And now, This Month in Datadog. Introducing library injection in Kubernetes environments. Many organizations rely on distributed tracing in Datadog APM to gain end-to-end visibility into the performance of their Kubernetes applications. But as teams grow, it can become impractical for them to manually configure each new application with the libraries and environment variables needed for tracing. Library injection via the admission controller simplifies the instrumentation process, enabling you to view APM traces in just minutes without changing or rebuilding your application. You can learn more about monitoring your Kubernetes applications by visiting the link shown. Correlate Datadog RUM events with traces from OTel-Instrumented applications. OpenTelemetry, or O-Tel, is an open-source, vendor-neutral observability framework that can be used to instrument, generate, collect, and export telemetry. Datadog's APM and RUM integration already provide full visibility into the journey of an API request issued from an application through your entire backend stack. This is done by automatically connecting distributed traces to RUM resources captured from web and mobile applications. As part of Datadog's ongoing support for O-Tel, our browser and mobile RUM SDKs now support W3C and B3 trace headers, so you can bring this full stack visibility to your OTel-Instrumented applications with minimal added configuration. Start correlating your OTel-Instrumented traces across APM and RUM today. Detect vulnerabilities with application risk management. Datadog Application Security recently expanded and now includes risk management to help you find and fix critical known vulnerabilities introduced by open source libraries used at runtime. It does this by leveraging APM data to automatically prioritize vulnerabilities introducing the highest security risk. Users with recent ASM libraries in Java, .NET, Python, and Node can enroll in the beta in just one click. And that's just a sneak peek of the many features we released this month. For a complete roundup, visit the link shown. This month in the spotlight, I'd like to introduce Product Manager Max.
Hi, I'm Max Edouin, Product Manager at Datadog. Today, organizations innovate rapidly, and services scale in number and complexity. In this context, security responsibilities cannot fall solely on security teams anymore. Developers and operators need to play a key role in mitigating security risks. APM Security View provides live and actionable security information in the same pane of glass as reliability and performance. It analyzes APM runtime data and surfaces relevant information in the APM suite. Let's see it in action. APM Security Views automatically populates the service catalog with an inventory of your security risks, alongside important information about the ownership, reliability, and performance of your service. Combining vulnerability and attack information, engineering and security leaders have an overview of their application security posture. For each service owner, APM Security View prioritizes the most critical risks that are currently active in production in the summary card. For instance, there is a vulnerability in one of the .NET open source libraries running in your service. With the impacted library, its version, and a detailed description, you have all the necessary information to understand this vulnerability is important and can easily remediate it with the information that is relevant to you. Proactively fixing known vulnerabilities is the first step in your security journey. Understanding your service's exposure to attacks and their potential impact is next. For example, let's look into this SQL injection attack. The attack flow, user parameter, and the executed SQL query confirm there is an exploit and lets you pinpoint where in your code the vulnerability needs to be fixed. APM Security View detects threats in the request sampled by APM. including key ones from the OWASP top 10 like SSRF, injections, cross-site scripting, and much more. APM Security View provides service owners with the necessary context to become effective security champions. This is available today for all APM customers with up-to-date libraries. Nothing to deploy and no additional charges. Go check it out.
Thanks, Max. And that wraps up this month's episode. If you have a question, comment, or suggestion for a future episode, comment below or email us. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future episodes of This Month in Datadog. We'll see you next month.